afternoon, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Pherl TV, okay? If it's our first time to hop into my channel, please don't forget to give a like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell button so you will be able to see more vlogs from this channel, okay? This channel, guys, is not all about food making, okay? This channel is doing a lot of things under the sun, okay? So whenever you hop into this channel and subscribe to this channel, and then the next day you will be seeing vlogs which is different from cooking. So you should expect it because this channel is not just cooking, okay? Hi guys! Good afternoon! Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Pherl TV. Yun. See how this big banana. Look at this. Okay? The regular size of lakatan and this the giant lakatan. Okay? Ayan. Okay? Today's video, I'm going to share with you my way of cooking a special Bicol Express of the Bicolana. I am a Bicolana and I love cooking food which is coconut milk, okay? So it's really delicious for me. It's too tasty for me. So in this video, I will be sharing you my recipe and how to cook Bicol, a special, authentic Bicol Express, okay? Let's start now. So my ingredients in cooking Bicol Express are onion, garlic, meat, lean meat, zile. Okay, Bicolana loves eating spicy food, so we have a lot of green pepper here. Okay, the coconut milk, the first extracted, okay, unang piga. The second extracted, okay, pangalawang piga ng gata. The alamang, I will just put a few alamang, okay, kasi I love just a few of alamang, okay? So let's start now, guys. Let's stay and see my cooking tutorial. Okay, to start cooking Bicol Express, guys, my procedure is I will allow this to boil, okay? First. Frozen siya yung gata. Kasi kung kailangan nyo, nasa kanyo ilabas sa freezer, okay? So, ayun. Ayan yung ano niya, di ba? Yung milk. Pangalawang piga to, guys. So, yun ang gagawin natin. So, yun, guys. So, palambutin ka siya dyan sa pangalawang piga ng gata, okay? Guys, I'm cooking the meat well, okay, in order for us to kill the bad bacteria, which is a disease carrier, right? Okay, so that's why I'm cooking it this way, in order for the lean meat to really become so tender, okay? Parang hindi siya mahirap kainin. I added 2 pinch of salt already a while ago, okay? So, and at this point of time, we can add onion to make the meat tastier, okay? Guys, I will cook this until the water disappears, and what I'm expecting to be left are only the coconut milk, okay? The oil from coconut milk, okay? So the purpose is to cook the meat well in order to prolong the lifespan, the shelf life, okay? As you can see, guys, pinauubos ko lang talaga yung tubig kasi diba second extracted milk, coconut milk na yun. So what I did is make it dry, okay? Allow the oil na siya yung matira doon sa pan, okay? So again, I'm gonna show you, okay? Okay, kita nyo? Ang natitira na lang, ayan, no? Diba nagmantika na lang siya, diba? Milk na lang. coconut milk. Yung mantika na lang natitira. Wala na yung tubig. Diba? Yung sa pangalawang piga kasi yung galing, guys. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm gonna add the onion. Okay? I'm gonna add the garlic. Parang chinicharon lang, guys, ang peg, okay? And I will mix this, okay? I'm gonna add the alamang, okay? I will be adding the first extracted coconut milk, okay? Pero hindi ko siya uubusin, guys, kasi sobrang dami na. Okay? Pwede ko to gamitin sa ano pa nang bulilit ko? So yun, guys, since this is already dry, okay? So this is the right time to I will now add the sili. Okay? So, what are we waiting for? Let's have our lunch. Gonna start up the plate. So thank you, guys, and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give a like, comment, ring the bell, and subscribe if you're just new to this channel. Good day.